What's up? Welcome to another episode of RealTEA Podcast. I am your host, Shakia Watson. And yes, I'm switching it up because I noticed that my videos was really not a podcast. And I'm calling it a podcast, and it's really not a podcast if I am editing, taking stuff out, doing takes, and doing a script. Yeah, I got that all wrong. Okay, so I started to realize, okay, a podcast is more you're talking, and if you need something edited, you will edit it, but it's more free, no script, and you telling it how it is. So I'm about to spill the tea on this realty space. Let's get into today's episode. So today I want to talk about the journey. I want to talk about how to get started in this space. I am actually starting that journey. Yes, I'm not a homeowner. If you thought I was a homeowner, go back and look at the last episode. I talk about how I am renting now. I am actually in a 4-bedroom home. I love this home, but the rent is just too high. It went up too much. I've been here for like 3 years, and seeing it just go up and up and up, and they not caring about anything. I even try to say, hey, it's COVID. I haven't been working. Can we please come a little notch? And 1 year they did. They went the lowest they could, but then they said, forget that. You're going to start paying. And now that I started this journey, which I really started last year, my significant other was like, well, why don't you cut the middleman out and become a realtor yourself? And I'm like, I'm not trying to do all that. I'm not trying to go through school again. I'm just not here for it. Honey, he said, if you don't get your butt, when I say my significant other pay for everything, and I'm like, okay, I do it. And at the end of the day, I still was like, I don't know about this. I don't think we should do this. I don't think I should do this. But I did it, and when I say I thank him all the time, when I tell him about being in this real estate space, learning the endless opportunities that we could really grow off of and make a living off of the opportunities, because now I am licensed and I'm able to do so much. You all, I did not know all the information that was in real estate. And I thank God for the journey that brought me here, honestly. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about what you need to do, how you need to do it, and when you need to do it. So my last episode, I told you all, if you want to start getting to the real estate space, start your journey now. If you are looking for credit repair, you need to save, you need to change your mindset, you need to be disciplined, consistent, start now. No matter where you are in your journey of life, start now. It really takes the change of your mindset to really dig deep and say, okay, and believe. That's what I'm trying to say. It really takes your mind. It really takes for you to change your mindset to believe that you can be a homeowner, that you can become an investor. You don't even have to own a home. You can stay renting and go invest into a real estate property. Because guess what? What is that real estate property going to do? It's going to pay for your rent. If you want to stay a renter, it's going to pay for that. And then you can sell your investment. Y'all, it's so many opportunities in this field. I'm so thankful. Seriously, I'm so thankful, and I can't stress that enough. With the team that I have at Keller Williams One, with the people on social media that has been coming to me, I am I'm like head over heels. Like literally, I have a travel job, and that's a source of income. And then I have my mobile lab called Sky Lab that I actually have with my significant other also. So these opportunities, the knowledge that I have a lot of knowledge in this brain, y'all. So I'm really here to help you succeed in life just like I did, but to cut the mistakes. Or if you already went through mistakes, let me be your motivator. Let me be your inspiration to let you know that it's possible. Let me tell y'all, I done been through bankruptcy. I done seen credit scores go down. I done seen credit scores go up. I done seen me go to zero in money. I done seen myself go to six figures. So don't think it's not possible. Let me tell you the number one thing though. It's not the money that's the problem. Money is always getting printed. Money is always going to be here. It's the discipline, your consistency, and the hard work you put into it. And really, if you believe, do you believe that you can be a CEO? Do you believe that you can be an investor? Do you believe that you can be a homeowner? Do you believe that you can make $1 million? Believe it, and it will happen. I'm telling you, I had an IRS lady talk to me some years ago, and she was like, "You're very knowledgeable. You need to tell the folks out here what's going on. How can they help themselves? How to not get into the stuff that you have gotten to, and how to fix it." Because IRS tried to hit me with like $30,000 from my first hair business. When I tell y'all my first business, I made all the mistakes and failures, honey. You can tell, you can't tell me nothing now, okay? But when I said, she was like, "I can see you starting a YouTube channel, talking about the IRS, your credit, all that. I can see you start a YouTube channel, and you will bless a lot of people." And I'm like, really? You really see me doing that? I didn't think that back then. I'm gonna tell you, the bankruptcy really took a toll on me. I felt like a failure. I didn't think I was gonna be able to come back up out of it. Yeah. And now look at me. I can't tell you nothing. So I'm very thankful for where I'm at. When you pray, blessings come down. I'm a big believer on God. I'm God driven. I'm a mom. So I'm praying all the time, every day, all day. And life is what you make it. Let's just put it out there. Life is what you make it. All right, let's do a little quick break. This episode is sponsored by Shakia Watson, a realtor. If you're interested in buying a home and you have questions, I will happily break down the process for you to get started. Also, if you're thinking about selling and interested in what your home is worth in this hot market, I have access to all market data to help you get maximum value when selling your home. That means more money in your pocket. You can DM, call, or text for more info. I am located in the North Carolina area. I service the Triad area, Greensboro, Winston, High Point, and surrounding areas, and also Charlotte and its surrounding areas. You can contact me at any time. Thank you and have a great day. We'll go right back into the episode. You want to first get with a lender, and that's where I'm at right now. You want to get with a lender to get your pre-approval, so then you can start all the fun. So let's talk about the pre-approval, how to get there, who to connect with. You want to hire a realtor, get a professional. You can go out here and do it on your own, try to figure it out, but I'm telling you, the process is going to take so much longer if you try to do it on your own. Because a realtor, they're licensed, they know way more, they have access to way more, and they are connected way more. I am actually connected with a lender named Jessica Whitfield. I love her to death. She contacted me from a Facebook group called Black Girls in Real Estate. If you know, you know. That group is filled with so many knowledgeable women, and I'm so thankful for that group. So she contacted me, and now I am starting with her. She's very knowledgeable. She's very smart. She knows what she's doing. She's telling me stuff that other lenders have told me I can't do. And I'm like, see, that's why you're my girl. And that's why, yeah, you can't tell me nothing. Okay, so I'm going to play a little clip from Jessica. She sent me in a recording because she's not able to be here. I told her to introduce herself and just explain her services and basically explain what she explained to me when she called my phone and blew my mind. And I'm like, yeah, I need you. Okay. So listen to this.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Whitfield and I am a mortgage loan officer with Paramount Residential Mortgage Group. I just want to take a few moments of your time to just erase some of those stigmas and set some of the rumors straight about what it takes to become a homeowner. So first, let's talk about some requirements. We do require at least a 580 credit score. Yes, 580. So out of all three credit scores, whichever one falls in the middle must be at least a 580 to qualify or pre-qualify for a loan. Also, work history. No, you do not have to be on the same job for 2 years, but we do require a 2-year work history. So if you have switched jobs within the last 2 years, it's perfectly fine. Even if you've had some small gaps, we can still move forward. Now again, that is full-time work. So if you've been working part-time for the last 2 years, then you may still be able to qualify. For example, if you've been attending like a truck driving school or any other type of trade school, or you're in college or been in college within the last 2 years, you may still qualify as well. Next, down payment. No, you are not required to have 20% down. That is a lot of money. It helps if you do, but you're not required to. I do have loan programs that require down payments as low as 3%. So now, just to go over the loan programs that we offer. We offer FHA loans, conventional, VA loans, USDA loans. We also offer bank statement loans. So for my self-employed people who maybe you haven't filed your taxes in the last 2 years, or maybe you've written off a lot of business expenses, I would then recommend bank statement loan to you. We also have loans for new investors or just home investors in general. And I also lend to those who may want to qualify for a home that is higher than the government conforming limit. So let's say, for example, if you're in the Triangle area or Greensboro area, and you want a home that is $700,000, I am and do have loans programs for you as well. So I just want to leave you with this. Out of the requirements I just given you, let's say your credit score is maybe a 560 or maybe even lower, 540. And you're like, oh, I don't qualify. Guess what? Don't give up. Definitely give me a call and let me tell you, as a lender, what you would need to do in order to improve your credit score. And yes, I do that for free. So definitely give me a call. So I would like to, again, just leave you with, please call a lender, have that conversation, and just keep in mind that I work for you. Mortgage lenders work for you. You do not work for them. So do not hesitate. Do not feel bad. Do not feel embarrassed. Guess what? We've all have been in a bad financial predicament or situation before. So hope to talk to you soon.
Man, I just love her. She is amazing. So I want you all to know we can help you. We are here to make your life better. We're here to change your life, to change your living situations, to make you comfortable in your own home if you are uncomfortable right now in your living situation. I am uncomfortable in my living situation, okay? Paying dang on mansion prices. But I love my But no, seriously, get with a lender, get with a realtor, start your process. Doesn't matter where you are right now. We can help you, and we're here for you. Understand? I'm here for you. My name is Shakia Watson. I will see you on the next episode. I hope you caught all that tea. And this ain't it. It's still more to overflow, honey. This just the beginning. I'll see y'all next Tuesday on RealTEA Podcast.